Welcome back to our channel, where we explore exciting career paths and provide valuable insights to help you succeed. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of data science and discussing how you can become a successful data scientist. Data science is a rapidly growing field with immense opportunities, so let's get started. Before we begin, let's clarify what a data scientist does. A data scientist is someone who extracts meaningful insights from large and complex data sets to solve business problems and make data-driven decisions. They possess a unique combination of technical skills, domain knowledge, and a passion for uncovering hidden patterns in data. To become a successful data scientist, you need to start by building a strong foundation. Here are some essential steps. 1. Learn programming. Begin with languages like Python or R, as they are widely used in data science. Master the basics of programming and understand concepts such as variables, loops, and functions. 2. Develop statistics and mathematics skills. A solid understanding of statistics and mathematics is crucial in data science. Concepts like probability, hypothesis testing, and linear algebra will be your building blocks. 3. Study machine learning. Familiarize yourself with machine learning algorithms and techniques. Understand the concepts of supervised and unsupervised learning, regression, classification, and clustering. 4. Gain domain knowledge. Acquire knowledge in a specific industry or domain. Understanding the context in which you'll be applying data science will give you a competitive edge. Once you have a strong foundation, it's time to focus on acquiring the technical skills necessary for a successful data science career. Here's what you should do. 1. Data manipulation and cleaning. Learn how to clean, pre-process, and transform raw data. This includes handling missing values, outliers, and data normalization. 2. Data visualization. Master the art of data visualization using libraries like Matplotlib or Tableau. Communicating data effectively is vital for conveying insights to stakeholders. 3. Exploratory data analysis, EDA. Dive deep into EDA techniques to uncover patterns, correlations, and anomalies in your data. This helps in understanding the data and identifying potential insights. 4. Feature engineering. Learn how to create new features from existing data that can improve the performance of machine learning models. 5. Model building and evaluation. Understand different machine learning algorithms and techniques, and learn how to build, train, and evaluate models. Apart from theoretical knowledge, gaining practical experience is crucial for becoming a successful data scientist. Here are some ways to gain hands-on experience. 1. Kaggle competitions. Participate in Kaggle competitions to solve real-world data science problems and learn from the community. 2. Personal projects. Undertake personal data science projects to apply your knowledge and showcase your skills. Choose projects aligned with your interests and the industry you want to work in. 3. Internships and collaborations. Seek internships or collaborations with organizations where you can apply your skills in a professional setting and learn from experienced data scientists. Data science is an ever-evolving field, so continuous learning and professional development are essential for long-term success. Here's what you can do. 1. Stay updated. Follow industry blogs, research papers, and reputable online platforms to stay up to date with the latest trends and advancements in data science. 2. Attend workshops and conferences. Attend data science workshops, conferences, and meetups to network with professionals and learn from experts in the field. 3. Online courses and certifications. Enroll in online courses and earn certifications to enhance your skills and credibility. Platforms like Coursera and edX offer a wide range of data science courses. 4. Join data science communities. Engage with data science communities through forums, social media groups, and online discussions. Collaborating with like-minded individuals can foster learning and provide valuable insights. Congratulations! You now have a roadmap to becoming a successful data scientist. Remember, building a strong foundation, acquiring technical skills, gaining practical experience, and embracing continuous learning are the keys to unlocking a rewarding career in data science. So go out there, explore, and make your mark in this fascinating field. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more career-related content. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.